If you've ever wished you could just start fresh with your WordPress website, clearing out all the changes, plugins, and clutter, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to reset your WordPress site back to its default settings. Just like new, let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head to your WordPress homepage. In the upper right corner, you'll see the Login option. Click on that and you'll be taken to the login page. From here, you can log in using your WordPress credentials. But to make things easier, select Continue with Google. This allows you to sign in using your Google account without having to remember separate usernames and passwords. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now, it's time to reset. On your dashboard, look for the Settings section. You can find it by navigating through your sidebar or by selecting the link for Hosting Features within your account panel. Once inside Hosting Features, locate the Settings tab. This is where most of your site's core controls are located. When you click the Settings tab, the page will expand to show several options related to hosting and site management. Scroll carefully through this section until you find the Reset Site option. This is the feature that will return your entire website back to its original default state. Click Reset Site and you'll be asked to confirm your decision. This extra step is important because resetting your website permanently removes your current data and settings. Before moving forward, WordPress will ask you to type in your website's URL. This confirmation helps make sure you're resetting the right site. Once you've entered your URL, click the Reset Site button again to confirm. After a few moments, your site will automatically refresh and all settings, plugins, and customizations will be cleared. You'll be left with a clean, brand new WordPress installation, ready for a fresh start, new design, or testing environment. And that's it. You've successfully reset your WordPress website to default settings. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover how to restore backups or reinstall your favorite themes after a reset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.